Hi, this dance is called La Receta, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia and Nicole Nadia also from Indonesia on October 2025. There are 64 count, 2 walls, high improver level line dance, and there are 3 restarts on wall 3 after 48 count, on wall 4 and on wall 6 after 32 count. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with this section 1. Section 1, side together, lock shuffle forward, forward, recover, coaster step. Section 2, side touch, hold together, side touch, together, side touch, and then step back to touch forward, step back to touch forward. Section 3, push right foot forward, recover on the left foot with the right foot, hook, and then lock shuffle forward, step left foot forward, make a quarter turn to the right, recover on the right foot, and cross shuffle. Section 4, quarter turn to the left, step right foot back, quarter turn to the left, step left foot to side, and cross shuffle. And then step right, left foot to side, and quarter turn to the left foot, recover on the right foot, and make a coaster step. Okay, section 5, sashay to the right, make a quarter turn to the left and sashay to the left, and then make a quarter turn, Monterey turn to the right, side touch, quarter turn to the right, together, side touch, together. And then section 6, V step, out, out, in, and then 2 touch forward, close, recover together, 2 touch forward, recover together. Okay, and section 7, step right foot forward, make a half turn to the left, recover on the left foot, and then kick, ball, step forward, move forward, walk, close together, kick, ball, step forward. Okay, and then the last section, or section 8, Botafogo right, Botafogo left, and then step forward, recover, and make a half turn to the right, step right foot forward, and then run 3 count, left, right, left. Okay, let me repeat the whole section, whole part with the count, but I'll do it slowly. Section 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 5, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 8, or the last section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of our new choreo. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the choreo, the music, and we look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.